Hi, my name is Jorge Escobar. My ID number is 2012-12-604, and I'm going to be talking to you about the industrial process for the manufacturing of a pencil. At the factory, they first start with a wooden stock. That is just a wooden cube that is going to be cut with circular plates, really thin circular plates, so they can produce as less sawdust as possible so they lose very few raw materials. Well, once they cut the wooden cube into wooden slats that are just rectangular pieces of wood, a little bit longer than a normal pencil, so they have a trim allowance so they can cut the final piece in order to all of the pencils to be the exact same length. Well, with these wooden slats, they apply them with wax and stain so they can be easier to cut and utilize later on. The next step is that a groover machine cuts grooves into the wooden slats. This is to provide the space where to put the lead or pencil core. Once the wooden slats are cut with these grooves, they are separated into two different groups. The first group is going to be applied with glue, and a special type of glue that will allow the pencil core to get attached to the wood, but also will provide certain protection in case the pencil falls. It won't break the lead as easy as it would. Once the wooden slats are provided with the grooves, they are going to be separated into two different groups. Into the first group is going to be applied the lead, the pencil core. After the pencil core is applied into the first group, the second group is going to be put on top of the first group to make a kind of sandwich, if you will, of the wooden slats. Later on, these wooden slats are going to be stacked one on top of another, and a machine is going to put pressure on top of them until the glue is totally dry. Once the glue is totally dry, the machine is going to cut the pencils into the hexagonal shape that a pencil normally has. After the pencils are separated from one another, they are not any longer a wooden slat, a rectangular wood. They are going to be applied with the yellow color or any other color that they want the pencil to be. Once the pencil has the desired color, the only step left is to add the eraser and the metal ring that holds it together. And when that is done, the pencil is ready to be sold in anywhere in the world.